Hey everyone, welcome back to your digital friend. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to share a website via QR code using Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, and Brave browsers. Newer versions of web browsers offer the ability to easily create QR codes for visited web pages. This greatly simplifies sharing web pages between friends or from one device to another. I'll show you how to use this feature. Let's start with Google Chrome. First, open the website you want to share. I will open the Wikipedia site. How can I now create a QR code for this site? Simple. Right-click anywhere on the site. Find the option Create QR Code for this page and click on it. The QR code is automatically generated. You can copy it or download it, and you can also immediately open your phone and scan this QR code. I will take my phone and scan it using the built-in QR code scanner on my phone. Here's what it looks like. After scanning, we automatically open this site on the phone. Let's now switch to the Microsoft Edge browser. I'll launch Microsoft Edge and open the Wikipedia site again. Like with Google Chrome, simply right-click anywhere on the page. Click on Create QR Code for this page, and the QR code will be generated. The process is similar with the Brave browser. Here, I'll open the Pexels site. Again, right-click anywhere on the site. Find the same option, Create QR Code for this page, and click on it. Here's the generated QR code. That's all for this video. See you soon with a new tutorial.